back to copywriting mastery course. So in this video lesson I'm going to cover blog copy. Yes, so before writing any blog copy you have to know some points, and that points I'm going to share with you all. So number one point is keywords. Yes, so you must know which keywords is ranking on Google and which keywords performs well in Google. Yes, so to know those things you must know one or two tools, and that is Uber Suggest and LSI Graph. So Uber Suggest is a keyword research tool which is developed by Neil Patel. I'm going to show that. So you can see here the dashboard. Here we are going to type marketing. Yes, and then here I will select the country. So I will select India. Okay, now I will search it. That means we are going to search on marketing in India and search. The system is taking time. Just wait. Okay, so right now we are on the dashboard. So from here we can know the which keywords and volumes are working on Google. Yes, so you can see here marketing network. So CPC, search volume, cost per click. Okay, so content ideas. So our keyword was marketing, and now we can have content ideas. Okay, so would you join a multi-level marketing company for retirement income? So you can see the social share like 223,815. Yes, so these are the contents as well as keyword ideas which will give you to write a good blog post and which will perform well in the Google. Okay, so this is overall on, on Uber Suggest. So now we will move to LSI. Okay, so LSI graph.com. So right now we will go back and we will search again. Okay, so this is lsigraph.com. Generate LSI keywords that Google loves. Okay, so here we will type marketing and generate. So this is same like Uber suggest. That means keywords generating ideas. Hold on, let us search through our LSI database. Wow, cool. We are getting the result top performing content. So here you can see LSI keywords is what is marketing, trending, volume, CPC, cost per click, and competition level. So top performing content. So you can see here on marketing, these are the top performing content. Okay. So from these ideas, you can generate your keywords as well as heading. Yes. So now let's move to mind map. So the number two step is headlines. Okay, so headlines, you must know how to generate headlines, and headlines will come through your keyword research. Yes, so the number third is body content. So we got keywords, headlines, now body content. Okay, so sub headline. Whenever you give headline, you will give sub headline. I will explain you in other section. So whenever you write sections, you must mention why, what, how, what if. Yes. So I will go about this body content, sub-headline sections. Yes? Okay. Just wait. Now I'm going on Google. I will search how to write a 2000 word blog post. So you will get two websites, that is Neil Patel and medium.com. So I'm going to click on medium.com and you will reach this page. Okay. Yes. So here you can see easily it's written how to write a 2000 word blog post in 2 hours. Yes. So try to observe clearly body content, that is sub-headline, sections and images. Okay. So this will be covered in this blog post. Okay. So why write 2000 worded articles? Okay. So you can see here how he has completed 2000 word blog post in 2 hours. So it's clearly mentioned here. So whenever you just write any blog post, you come and visit this page, and you will get so many ideas that how you can finish within 2 hours. Like the first step is planning. So before writing any blog post, you must have plan. Okay. So what is your topic? What are you going to cover it? What will be the images? Yes. So know your audience. So sorry, you must know your audience for whom you are writing. So whenever you write person one to one. Okay. The way means you are writing to one person only. Do not target all the people. That means you are sitting at home and you are writing to your friend. Okay. In this way one must write blog post. Okay. So note down their pain points. Okay. Craft your attention grabbing headlines. So these are the rules how you can write. Mind map your 2000 word blog content. Yes. So before you write anything, you should write the headlines, have headlines, content, bullet points, everything. Okay. So join a blogging mastermind community, like help you plan topics, keeps you motivated. Keep collecting top valuable resources. Suppose you are on Facebook, LinkedIn or whatever. If you are getting any content, any resources related to your niche, then you must save those resources which will help you in while writing blog post. So make a blog publishing schedule. Okay. So schedule it and it will help you. And now I'm going to tell you about step 2, that is writing. Once you are done with all the planning, it all boils down to writing. Yes. Improve your writing style. Like capitalize your blog headlines, write like how you talk, write smaller paragraphs, use bullet points, simplify it, install Grammarly, which will help you in correction of your grammar. Improve your writing speed. Yes. Believe you can set a timer and write. Create your writing routine. Stop all distractions. Format free writing. So whenever you are going to write anything, you should stop all, so like uh, your mobile phone or any, like disturbing tools. So top 3 things to avoid while blogging. Okay. Content plagiarism, copyrighted images, procrastination. So you should avoid these type of things. So step 3, publishing. Yes. So after your planning, after writing, you must publish your article. Okay. So format your blog post. How you can format the headline, add images, hyperlinking, add call to action at the end. So you must do proofreading before publishing, like reading aloud, simplify, publish. Okay, final thoughts. It's given here. So before writing any topic, you must create table like this, which will help you to write fast. Okay, so here you can go through this post and it will help you. So again, we are going to mind map. So I have given the small ideas about these things, but whenever you search for images, you will get high quality image from Pexels and Pixabay. Yes, so these images are free. You can go and download from these websites. Now I'm going to move to fourth point. So call to action. Yes, so after writing all these things, or after just below the blog post, you can give link to lead magnet like webinar page, YouTube, the way this person is given. You can see here. Okay, he has given his own link that is lead magnet. So the next action plan is write one blog post on Facebook or LinkedIn. Okay, so try to go ahead and write it. I must tell you, you must write one thing, that is, you can write on Google Drive. Okay, let me make it bold. Yes, you write on Google Drive and use Grammarly, which will correct your English well. So again, I'm going to show you these things. Block copy, you have to do first of all keyword, that means keyword research. These headlines you will get from here, sub headline, body content, in subsections. Yes, images, pixels, pixabay, call to action, link to lead magnet, webinar page, YouTube. That means where you want to send your visitors to your blog. So action plan is write one blog post on Facebook or LinkedIn, and whenever you write on Google Drive. Okay, so it will help you while sharing on different platforms. So while writing any blog post, you must plan, give bullet points, have good quality images, which will help you to write best blog post. So just do not wait and just go and write one blog post at least, and you will see that how much you have developed in writing. So you just think that you are a warrior and say yourself that I'm a warrior and I can write any blog post. So thank you so much. We will meet you in the next video lesson. For now, bye bye.